Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric. This week's PPF Pro Tip video, I'm gonna go over how to properly install a partial hood and partial fenders. We got this brand new 23 Ford Explorer here, and I'm gonna go over a simple trick that I like to do to make sure that these hood and fenders line up perfectly. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so we've got both of our fenders installed. Now, as you can see, I've got the partial hood piece on the hood. Now we're gonna get to installing it. So one thing I've noticed is a lot of people, they struggle with these partial front ends because they'll install the hood first and then the fenders, they don't line up properly. The whole purpose of this video is just to show you that, install the fenders first and then the hood. So now that the fenders are installed, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come down over here, get some tack solution right here, and I'm gonna line up that relief cut with that corner. I'm gonna squeegee that down, and then if you come over here, you can see just a small little stretch, and we got everything lined up. Just a bit of tack solution. There we go. And that edge is down. Another thing, you want to do these partial hoods, you want to do them with the hood closed. Do not do them with the hood propped up, because if you try and line it up just by eyeballing it with the hood propped up, by the time you close it, this line will be off with the fenders. So make sure the hood is closed. Now let's go over to the passenger side with the same thing. So we're going to start over here by the front corner and get that lined up, just like so. We'll squeegee that down. Then we'll come over here, get some tack solution in there, we'll stretch that into place, just like so. We'll squeegee that down, and then we'll squeegee this whole edge down. Now, since you're watching, we might as well just install the rest of the hood, so some bonus content. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to make sure that the rest of the hood is still floating, which it is. We have a bit of a sticking area right over here. As you can see, I'm pulling on it. Everything's moving except that area. Just going to lift that up. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to pull the hood down right over here, right above the Ford logo, and I'm going to pull the film down so it's about half-inch past, half-inch overlap, and that's going to be perfect. Now, what I can do is get all this air out from under the film. When you're doing these PPF installs, figuring out proper air management is huge as well too. If you can get the film to take to these contours and shapes of the vehicle, just with slip solution, it's going to make your installation a whole lot easier. So now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take and squeegee down this back edge. I'm going to have my squeegee angled downwards towards the front of the hood, and I'm going to go across the back just like this. And then I'm going to break the hood up into sections. So we got section 1, the middle section will be 2, this section will be 3. So we're going to start over here on the driver's side and just overlap those squeegee strokes. Just like so. Now I'm going to pull them down right to this body line. Just like so. Now we'll come over here, we'll do section 2. So we got these curves here, so I'm going to angle my squeegee downwards just like that, just to make sure that no solution is going to get trapped in that valley. Do the same thing over here. Now we'll do section 3 right over here. we go. Now what I'm going to do is get my hand underneath here. I'm going to pop this up, make sure that nothing is sticking. And just going to make sure there's no solution left on that body line. Now we got fingers right over here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to flush those out with our tack solution. Tack solution is just hot water. Now we'll start here at the middle, angle our squeegee downwards, just back and forth, pushing that all out. Now when we get to these fingers, I want to be more careful. I want to make sure that I'm not creasing any film. Spread that material out, just like so. Now we'll go do that on the passenger side as well too. So I'm lifting the film up, getting our tack solution in there. Now we're going to start over here. I'm going to hold the film up just with the one hand. Squeegee down at an angle. Push that material outwards. I'll have to lift this up. Just like so. Come across like this. And there we go. That's going to conclude this video. The whole purpose of this video was to go over how to properly line up these partial hoods with partial fenders. And if you're doing these partial front ends, always install fenders first before hood. That way you can line the hood up with the fender and it's going to look really good, and you're not going to end up having to either pull the film off and replace it or break out some masking tape and like trim it. You don't want to run the risk of cutting paint. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure you leave a like, leave a comment down below with what your thoughts are on the video and whether you have some constructive criticism or any other suggestions what you would like to see in future videos. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more PPF content. Now before you go, I just want to let you guys know, us at Drive Protected, we just launched our own car care line. So if you head over to driveprotected.shop, I'll have the link in the description of this video. You can check out our new amped all-purpose cleaner, megawatt foam soap, and our recharge ceramic detailing spray. Make sure you use code PROTECTED and you will save 20% on your order. Thanks again.